Exploring top alternatives to Hadoop for data-driven tasks. Hadoop has been a popular choice for data processing, thanks to its distributed computing capabilities and open-source nature. However, it comes with its drawbacks, including complexity, scalability issues, and high maintenance costs. Top alternatives to Hadoop. Apache Spark is a powerful data processing engine that offers faster data processing speeds and real-time analytics capabilities. It's renowned for its ability to handle complex data processing tasks and large datasets efficiently. Spark is becoming a preferred choice for organizations that require scalable data processing with low latency. Amazon Redshift is a fully managed cloud data warehouse that provides high-performance data storage and analytics. Google BigQuery is a serverless, highly scalable data warehouse that enables organizations to run complex queries and analyze large datasets with ease. Apache Flink is a distributed stream processing framework that offers low-latency processing of real-time data streams. It's known for its fault tolerance and high throughput, making it a great alternative to Hadoop for organizations that require real-time data processing and analytics. Snowflake is a cloud data platform that provides a scalable and secure data warehouse solution for organizations of all sizes. Conclusion. In conclusion, while Hadoop has been a dominant player in the big data landscape, there are several compelling alternatives that offer more streamlined and cost-effective solutions for data processing, management, and analytics.